With a revival of the possible joint oil exploration between the Philippines and China in the West Philippine Sea, the Philippine Coast Guard has clarified it will only engage in limited cooperation with the Chinese Coast Guard. Meanwhile, the number of Chinese vessels in the West Philippine Sea has increased again. Patrick De Jesus details more in this report.
There will be no changes in the deployment of the armed forces of the Philippines in the West Philippine Sea. This is despite the renewed discussions on the possible joint oil exploration between the Philippines and China due to the continuing energy emergency caused by tensions in the Middle East.
The Philippine Navy, Air Force, the Philippine Army, the entire AFP, amid all the negotiations being conducted by DFA, will continue performing its mandate of patrolling our seas and securing our sovereignty and sovereign rights. Bearing in mind that the Chinese Communist Party is not a reliable partner on the negotiating table.
Just last week, a PLA Navy missile frigate nearly collided with the Philippine Navy's BRP Benguet near Pag-asa Island. According to the National Security Council, the country will remain professional in the face of such provocative incidents now involving warships from both sides.
Our actions are always on the legal side, so we do not do the aggressive and illegal and coercive actions at sea. So we are following rules of engagements at sea. We avoid responding to dangerous maneuvers like we have seen before.
Over the weekend, the PLA Southern Theater Command reported that China conducted joint naval, air, and coast guard activities in Scarborough Shoal or Bajo de Masinloc. According to the AFP, Chinese assets were monitored, but no exercise conducted.
There was no exercise conducted. This is part of their false narrative, their malign influence to project that they have control over Bajo de Masinloc.
For the entire month of March, a total of 90 vessels from the PLA Navy and China Coast Guard were monitored across various features in the West Philippine Sea, with the highest number cited in Bajo de Masinloc at more than 40 vessels. Despite the initial renewed discussions on oil and gas exploration between the Department of Foreign Affairs and the Chinese Foreign Ministry, the government assured that the 2016 South China Sea arbitral ruling in favor of the Philippines is non-negotiable.
We have a baseline principle. We have our constitution. So any talks has to be based on this baseline. So it is very clear. It is a discussion, and it will never undermine our sovereign rights and our sovereign or territory in the Philippines.
Meanwhile, the Philippine Coast Guard reiterated that its joint cooperation with the China Coast Guard will remain limited, even if this was included in the discussions during the back-to-back 24th Foreign Ministry consultation and 11th bilateral consultation mechanism on the South China Sea, held from March 27 to 28 in Fujian Province, China.
I think it was made clear by the previous statement of DFA. We can engage with China Coast Guard only in matters that of our mutual interests, but definitely not about joint Coast Guard patrol in the South China Sea.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.